slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust.
Hi guys, I'm gonna jump right in. I'm gonna use my rubbing alcohol to rub off whatever oil that I have on my head, because if you put the glue on without using the alcohol, it may not dry correctly and it may fall off. I'm gonna use my edge booster to push back my baby hairs and all my flyaways. If you guys see that white stuff on my shirt, it's literally just deodorant. So I'm going to use my wig cap and I'm going to place it over my head and my ears. And I'm going to cut where my ear is so that way the wig cap can fit nice and tight for the ball cap method. So now I'm going to spray with my Gots to Be spray, and I'm going to just only do one layer, because I seriously did not have the patience to sit down and let it dry for 2 to 3 layers today. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the excess cap off of my forehead, and you're gonna see that I'm gonna keep going back and cutting, but that's for later when I'm measuring the wig close to the wig cap. The reason why I keep my wig cap so far in front of my hairline is because I don't want to place the glue and all that good stuff on my hairline and then it breaks my baby hairs. So now what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to cut my new hairline. If you watch my previous video, I did say that I was going to create a new hairline because I did pluck the frontal of this wig way too far back. So now I'm going to use my wax stick and push away all my flyaways and everything out of the way so I can hot comb the hair in order to begin gluing. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a wax stick, I think that's what it's called, to apply my glue, because if I'm using my fingers or anything else, I feel like it's not gonna get it as flat, and plus my fingers would leave oil or any sort of residue between the glue, and I don't want that. I'm gonna apply a very thin layer because I don't want this on for long, and also I feel like the more layers of glue that you use, the more like gucky it is after a few days, and I hate the look of that. If you guys have some lace hanging over, don't worry about that. We're gonna cut that off. All of that lace is not needed. Don't mind me, I was listening to music while recording. So now we're gonna move on to the side of my head. I feel like this part is like very annoying because it's either like you move your eyebrow wrong or something and it just lifts up. So just take your time with the sides, don't rush, just do one side by one. And I did forget to mention the glue that I'm using. I'm using Ghost Bond. You can find this in your beauty supply store. I believe I paid $19 for it, I'm not sure. As you can see, I'm doing both sides at once. So once I place the glue on one side, I'll move to the next side and place glue. And then once I go back to the other side, I'll just lay everything down. It just makes everything faster. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking a little bit of setting powder and I'm gonna basically dab it into the lace so that it can match my skin complexion even better. Okay, so I'm gonna use my scissor to cut off the excess lace. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my glue and my wax stick and I'm gonna finish off my sideburns. I save these for last because they are the most annoying. Like, I feel like they lift up the easiest, so be sure to take your time with it and don't glue your ear because I've done that a couple times. Okay, so I want you guys to pay very close attention to this part because this is what's going to make your frontal look nice, okay? So you're going to use bedhead spray. You can get this at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, any one of those things. And you're going to spray a little bit across your hairline. Once you finish spraying that, you're going to take a piece of, I don't know what it's called. Like I used a piece of my wig bands and I cut it into, like, you know, a smaller section. And you're going to wrap it around your hairline and tie it nice and tight. When I say tight, I mean tight, but don't give yourself a headache. This is gonna like melt everything. So once that's all dry, like a 10 to 15 minute wait, you can sit under the dryer if you're in a rush. You're gonna style your hair. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair in the middle. You can choose wherever you want to part your hair, but I like middle parts. And you're gonna define your part using concealer, you're gonna see in a minute, and you're gonna use your wax strip to get rid of those flyaways and your hot comb, and you're gonna style. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest. I was like debating like if I should do baby hairs, but like what kind of install would it be if I didn't have baby hairs? So basically I'm gonna use my razor, mousse, and my edge brush to create the kind of baby hairs that I want. This is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Okay, so I'm gonna use a comb to comb out my baby hairs and a little bit further back where the hairline is, because the mousse made the hair a little harsh, so it looks mad crunchy, and I hate to see when like frontals look like that. So I want my baby hairs to look nice and soft. Okay guys, I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna take down everything and I'm gonna hot comb it a little bit and style. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what's funny? Like, I was gonna straighten the hair, but then I saw how bomb it looks with the curls. Like, this is straight hair, bro, and it looks just like this. Like, look how look at this. Yes. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe.